How can I fix the issue of AirPods sound being muffled or distorted?
Hey, everyone! We're diving into a common problem many AirPods users have faced at some point: muffled sound or distortion. If this sounds like something you're struggling with, don't worry. We've got you covered with a few simple steps to troubleshoot and fix this issue.
Why is the sound from my AirPods muffled or distorted?
There could be multiple reasons why your AirPods sound muffled or distorted, ranging from dirty AirPods to software issues. But fear not. In most cases, these problems can be solved at home, quickly and efficiently.
Clean your AirPods.
One of the most common reasons for muffled sound is that your AirPods might just need a good cleaning. Dust or earwax can easily get lodged in the tiny grills, muffling the sound. 1. Use a soft, dry, lint-free cloth to clean your AirPods. 2. If there's any debris lodged in the speaker meshes, gently use a dry cotton swab or a soft bristled brush to clean it. 3. Never use sharp objects or put any liquids directly on your AirPods, as this can cause permanent damage. Remember, regular cleaning can not only solve but also prevent this problem in the future.
Check your audio settings.
Sometimes, the issue might be related to the audio settings on your device. 1. Check the audio balance. Go to Settings to Accessibility to Audio, Visual. Make sure the audio balance is in the middle. 2. Turn off the low power mode. Sometimes, your iPhone might reduce the performance of certain features when the low power mode is on. 3. Try disabling any equalizer settings that might be causing the distortion.
Reset your AirPods.
If cleaning and checking settings don't work, it might be time to reset your AirPods. Here's how. 1. Open the lid of your AirPods case but leave the AirPods inside. 2. Go to the Bluetooth settings on your device, find your AirPods on the list, and select Forget this device. 3. Hold the button on the back of the case for about 15 seconds until the LED light flashes amber and white. 4. Reconnect your AirPods to your device and test the sound. And there you have it. We hope these steps have helped you resolve the issue with your AirPods. If the problem persists, it might be a hardware issue and you should contact Apple support or visit an Apple store. Thanks for watching, and here's to clear and crisp sound from your AirPods.